Do you use something like PySync? Do you use Zapier, or do you use just a simple Excel sheet?
I just draw it out. Typically they draw it out to a CSV, and then I'll take a look and see what the data is there. A lot of times the CSV file will be limited, and the agent has to actually go to the CRM company and basically say, I want all of the exact, because if you actually read the terms and conditions of the CRM thing, you own all of that data. So it's yours. So if they're not allowing you to export that, yeah, they're kind of in a sticky situation. It doesn't look good for them. Let's put it that way.
Got it.
So you can basically say, like, I need an export of that, and the tech team has, every tech team in the CRM, they have the ability to export all of that data. So don't let them tell you that they don't. I know better. So
all right.
And they'll push back on you. They'll push back, so you have to push back on them. They'll say, no, sorry, we don't have that. Yes, you do. Give it to me.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So it is stand your ground, because they're gonna resist, but they have no reason to. So once you have the data and getting all that stuff on there, you know, one of the big features in Chime is that on import, when you're manually importing with the CSV file, you can select to add to a group, which that should be created. If your CRM doesn't have the functionality of a group, add that column and add that to your database. Otherwise, everybody's going to get sorted into a group, or basically added as a no group. And then once in Chime, you're going to have to kind of sort from there, which is not a big deal. It's not as bad. Again, I'm a big fan of trying to do as much as you can in the spreadsheet. And then once you get into Chime, you're going to be good to go. When you import it, you're going to have the option to send a welcome email. This is extremely important here.